Okay, quick question. What did you do yesterday at exactly like 3 p.m.?
3 p.m.? I think I was. Wait, no. I was eating a sandwich. Why?
See, it took you like a full 3 seconds to remember.
Well, yeah, my memory is terrible.
But imagine trying to remember that and trying to conjugate the verb in another language at the exact same time.
Oh, geez. Yeah, no, that's literally a nightmare.
Exactly. Like talking about yesterday it's the number one thing that just breaks people's brains when they're learning English.
It really is. Like, you're just trying to tell a simple story and suddenly freeze.
Yeah, you totally freeze up.
So today, we're going to fix that. We're breaking down exactly how to talk about yesterday without, having a panic attack.
Because Liza, I feel like the problem is everyone learns the rules, right? Like just add ed.
The classic ED rule.
Right, but then you actually go to speak and it's like, wait, is it I eat it? I ate it?
I eat it is my favorite. It sounds so cute, but it's so wrong.
It's so wrong, but why do we make it so complicated?
Honestly, it's because English is basically 3 languages wearing a trench coat.
Wait, what? A trench coat?
Yeah, it's this messy mix. So we have regular verbs that behave, and then irregular verbs that are just wild.
The irregular ones are the worst. They just do whatever they want.
Exactly. It's like a grumpy waiter, honestly.
Okay, wait, I don't get it. A grumpy waiter?
Yeah, think about it. A regular verb is like a good waiter. You ask for the past tense, they just add ed. Boom. I walked, I talked.
Right, super predictable.
But the irregular verbs, they're the grumpy waiter who just brings you whatever they feel like.
Oh, like you ask for buy and they give you bought?
Yes. They're like, here is bought, deal with it. Or you ask for go and they give you went.
Went? That doesn't even look like go. It's literally a different word.
It's completely unhinged.
So how do people actually learn that without going crazy?
Honestly, you have to stop trying to memorize giant lists. That's the biggest mistake.
Really? Because I definitely tried to memorize those lists in school.
Same. And it doesn't work when you're actually talking to someone.
Yeah, because you can't be like, hold on, let me check my mental spreadsheet.
Exactly. You just have to learn them in chunks, like stories.
Okay, give me an example, like a real life example.
All right. Okay. Tell me a quick story about yesterday morning, but keep it simple.
Okay. Yesterday, I woke up, I drank coffee. I drank coffee.
Yes, perfect self-correction. Drank.
Right, I drank coffee and then I went to the store.
Boom. Woke, drank, went. 3 grumpy waiters, but you nailed them because they're part of your actual daily routine.
Oh, I see. Because I do those things all the time. I just know how they sound.
Exactly, Max. It's about how it sounds, not a rule on a paper.
Wow, that actually makes a lot of sense. So you just attach it to your own life.
Literally, yes. So here's a quick exercise for everyone listening right now.
Ooh, homework. I love it.
Fun homework, promise. I want you to think of just 3 things you did yesterday.
Okay, 3 things.
But they have to be things you do almost every day. Eat, sleep, go to work, whatever.
Got it.
And just say them out loud. I ate, I slept, I worked. Just get your mouth used to the shape of those words.
That is such a good tip. It takes the pressure off.
It really does. You don't need 1,000 verbs, you just need your verbs.
Right, your personal grumpy waiters.
Exactly. Bring your own grumpy waiters.
So wait, what about the audience?
Oh, right. We want to hear from you guys. Drop a comment and tell us what is the weirdest irregular verb that always trips you up.
Oh man, for me it's caught. Like catch and caught? Come on.
That's a brutal one. Let us know yours in the comments.
And hey, if this helped you stop freezing up, make sure to like and subscribe.
See you guys in the next one.